طيب السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Let's start our revision for the final exam term 2. Refer to the circle at the right, name the circle. The circle is called according to the center circle P. Name a radius, PC, PA, you can call many. Name a chord, DE is a chord. Name a diameter that passes through the circle, the center, so it is AB. Radius, not a part of the diameter, PC again. Next one, we need to call a radius. Radius is, you can call like AE or AB. Chord, CD. Diameter, BE, that pass through the center. Center, A, the point A. Next one, the rule of the circumference of the circle, C equals pi D, or C equal to pi R. Area of a circle, area equal pi R square. The first question, find the radius and the circumference measure to the nearest tenth. The diameter is 8, so the radius will be the half 4. The circumference is pi times D, which is pi times 8, which is 3.1438, and you can calculate the answer. A radius is 11, so the diameter will be 22. The circumference is pi times D, which is pi times 11 pi, or 11 for 3.14, and you can calculate the answer. I will keep the calculation for you. And this type of questions, we agreed to find everything, but then we solve. This angle measures 38 degrees. I have a straight line here. So this angle here will be 180 minus 38, which is 142. This angle, I have a straight line again here as well, so it will be 180 again, minus 90 minus 38. 180 minus 90 minus 38, and it will be 52 degrees. Now we found everything. Now let us see what the question needs. The question needs measure of arc DGE, and we need all this, which means the whole circle except the 52. So it will be 360 minus 52, it will be 308. We need the whole circle except the small part DE. Circle is 360, so we subtract. Same story here. This angle is 63, so this the opposite one will be again 63. We have a straight line here. So this angle will be 180 minus 63, which is 117. The small angle here will be 180 minus 63 minus 90. Will be 27. Now let us see what the question asks us to find. The question needs measure of arc AED. They need this, which is 90 plus 63, 153 degrees. The second part, the question need the arc A, DB. They need this, which is the whole circle minus 117. Minus 117. 360 minus 117, which is 243 degree and degree. Okay. Next one. Length of the arc. The question now need length of arc. Length of arc, the rule is L equal X over 360 times 2 pi R. The angle is 45 times 3 over 360 times 2 pi for 3. And they need the answer in term of what? Of pi, so it will be much better. 45 over 360 times 2 times 3. 3 over 4. So the answer will be 3 over 4 pi. They need the length of the arc again, QS. QS, which is these two angles, which is 100 over 360 times 2 pi for radius is 2. So 100 over 360 times 2 times 2, which is 10 over 9 pi. And I added one part to this question, I remember, which is area of a sector. The sector QS. Area of a sector equal X over 360 pi R square, which is 100 over 360 times pi for radius 2 square. And we will get the same answer by chance, nothing more. If I remember the rule of the length of the arc and the area of a sector. Get familiar with the with the formula sheet, ladies. Have a look at it. The question need ST, so we have to find X first. 7x plus 3 equal 5x plus 25. Move 5x there, bring 3 there. So it'll be 2x will be 22, x will be 11. Now we don't need x, we need ST. ST equal 5x plus 25, which is 5 by 11 plus 25, and the answer will be 80. Next. They need measure of arc AC. Since these two chords are equal, so the arc will be equal. If the AB is 110, so this side will be, the arc will be 110. And the arc AC will be 360 minus 110 minus 110, which is 140 degrees. How does measure of arc QR compare to ST? Explain. since the chord QR is congruent to TS, the chord TS, then the chord is congruent to the chord. That's it, nothing more. Next, the question need the arc QM, the arc that is equals to the R. That means I have to find X, then replace. Focus, ladies. There's a difference between asking for arc or chord. They need arc. So 8x plus 4, 12x minus 48. Bring in 8x there, bring in 48 there. (52) equal 4x, so x will be 13. QM is 8x plus 4, that 8 في 13 plus 4. 8 times 13 plus 4, 108 degree. Next, now in this part they need the arc, NR, that equals to the arc QM. So we have to find y. Y plus 10 equal 3y minus 4. Bring there, bring there. 14 equals 2y, y equals to 7. We need NR, which is y plus 10, 7 plus 10, which is 17. Okay. Next. If AB is perpendicular to the chord EF, that means this one equal this one, or this one equal this one. Select all applies. EF equal FG, that is correct. EF equal BF, no. AH is half EF, no. FH, this FH, is half EF, that is correct. And the last one is not correct. Next. EB, which is the whole diameter, is 12, so each radius is 6. The arc or the chord CD is 8, so each part will be 4. The chord CD is 90, so each part of the chord will be 45 degrees. Let us see what the question asks us to find. They need the arc. They need the arc DE, 45 degrees. They need FD, the chord FD, 4. They need AF. This is similar to the thing that we did in the class. They need this. Let us call it X. And we have an arc here that measures radius, 6. So we apply the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equal A squared plus B squared. 6 square equal 4 square plus X square. 36 plus X squared, move it. 20 equal X squared, take the square root of 20 is 2 radical 5 that equals to x. And this is the answer of this. Next, same story, they need the chord ln. These two are equal to each other. The whole radius is 7 and 18 will be 25. So this side will be 25 and we apply the Pythagorean theorem. 25 squared equals 7 squared plus x squared. 625 equal 49 plus x squared. Move it. 576 equal x squared. Take the square root. 24 is equals to x. Well, ln is double. Be 24 plus 24, which is 48 degree. Next. An inscribed angle, or sorry, inscribed circle is half the arc. Yani if the arc is 48, so the angle will be 24. The second is vice versa. The inscribed angle is 73. So the arc here will be the double, which is 146 degree. So the angle D, let's put it in green. DGE is 24 degree. The arc FG is 146 degree. That's it. They need measure of angle T here. Angle T is half the arc, which is 24. Next one. This question is similar to the question we did in our SBQ. Apply the Pythagorean theorem again. So 30 square equal x square plus 24 square, 900 equal x square plus 576. Move it to the other side. 900 minus 576. So x squared will be 324. Take the square root. X equals to 18. Next question. What is the length of the radius? This is C, which is x plus 9. So if we apply, it will be x plus 9 square equal x square plus 15 square. If we need to expand it, plus 225. X squared plus 9x plus 9x plus 81 equal x squared plus 225. X squared with x squared are cancelled. and I will combine the like terms here. So 18x plus 81 equal to 225. Send the 81 to the other side. 225 minus 81 will be 144. Let's continue it here. So 18x will be 144 over 18 over 18. Divide 144 divided by 18. X will be 8. Next one is the same story, but we did something different this time. We called all this to be x, which is y plus 3.5, the other radius. So x squared will be 3.5 squared plus 12 squared. So 3.5 square plus 12 square equal 156.25. Radical this answer when we take square root. So x will be 12.5 اللي هي نفسها y plus 3.5. That means y is 9. Okay. Next one. This one we need to find the parameter. We agreed and these two are equal to each other. These two will be equal to each other, and these are tangents, so they will be equal to each other. So this is 24. This part here is 26, so the green part, since the whole side 10 and 10. To find the parameter, we need to add all sides. 24 plus 10 plus 36 plus 26 plus 24. I think the answer was 120. 24 plus 10 plus 36. 24 plus 10 plus 36 plus 26 plus 24. The answer 120, correct. 3 spotlight has strategically placed in a light up a statue at the center from the garden. The edge of beams light from the tangent line of the status. The status. The question need find the light A must be located how far from light B. So it will be the same story. These two are equal. These two are equals. These two are equals. So 7 and 7. 16. And the pink one is 28 minus 16 is a 12. So this is 12 and this is 12. So the distance is a 12 plus 7, which is 19. Same story here. We need the parameter of the polygon. Let us highlight. These two are 15. These two will be equal. These two will be equal. And these two will be equal. So 15, this side will be, 15, the whole is 30, so this one will be 15. And 15, 15 and 15, so the blue one, 18 and 18, 37. 33 minus 15 is 18. 37 minus 18 is 19. So the green one is 19 and 19. And we have to add all sides, 30 and 33 and 37, 19 and 15. So 30 plus 33 plus 37 plus 19 plus 15. The answer 134. I hope I didn't make any mistake. Okay. Next. This tangent is outside the circle. So the angle will be, the measure of the angle is half the difference, 200 minus 80. Calculator will be 60 degree. Same story here, they need the big arc. Same story, the angle, which is 70, equal half the big arc minus the small arc. We multiply by 2 both sides to cancel half. So 140. Half of the 2 are cancelled, equal x minus 61. Move it to the other side, 201 equals to x. Same story. They need x. The angle, which is 34, equal half the big arc, which is 3x minus 2, minus the small arc, x plus 6. نفس التكنيك. We do not change. Multiply both by 2. Now 2 with the half are cancelled here. 38 equal 3x minus 2 minus x minus 6 لأنه احنا we distribute a negative sign inside. So 38 combine like term, 3x minus x is 2x, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Send the minus 8 to the other side. 46 equal to x over 2 over 2, so x will be 23. This is the value of x. We are done with the first module. Thank you so much and see you later.